Hi friends, this is Atif and you're watching Moon 333. Actually, I created this video for PublishOx community, but I decided to share with you guys as well. I have started posting my articles and videos and content on some platforms, and they're paying crypto for your content. Therefore, I decided to share with you as well. Maybe it will be helpful for you. This is PublishOx from where I have received my third payment. Even though the amount is not as that much big, but I have just started working there. And if I'll work consistently and have more followers, then definitely the earning will be more increased. The purpose of sharing with you is maybe it will be beneficial for some of you guys who are already sharing their ideas on TradingView and on different platforms. So you can also share same those ideas here and earn money. So let's move to the video. And I'm also sharing my referral link for these sites, and you can join these platforms through my referral link. Let's start the video. Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well. Today I am withdrawing my basic attention token from PublishOx, which I have earned from here. And this would be my third withdrawal request. Before that, I have received two payments from them. And I would like to just share this action with you guys. First, we need to log into our account here on PublishOx, and after that, you just need to go to your dashboard, and from dashboard we just need to click on the payments option, and after clicking the payments option you can see that how many tokens you have earned from this platform so far. You can see I've earned 822 hydro and 0.604 DAI and 72.5 for basic attention token. So I just want to withdraw my basic attention token. For that you need to have some ERC20 wallet in order to receive this token in that wallet. And for that I have just configured this MetaMask in my Chrome browser, and this is my wallet for basic attention tokens. So if you didn't add your wallet in the payment option here on PublishOx, then you need to first add your payment, and after that you can place your withdrawal request. I've already added my payment, therefore you can see after clicking on the withdrawal button, you can see here my wallet address is available. But if I want to change or edit this address, I can just click on this button on this link, and after that I can add the new address, or I can also edit this address as well. So I'm just clicking on the confirm withdrawal. It is being processed. And now you can see that my withdrawal request is in process. Sorry, this is not in process. Let me see what happened. So I have refreshed the page, and now you can see 2.61 basic attention tokens are left in the wallet, and the rest of the tokens, 69.93 tokens, are in process for the payment now. And they process the payments after Monday, so I'll receive this amount after Monday. I've received already two payments from them worth around 180 or $200. I'm blessed that I'm earning also from PublishOx, and I've used this amount to pay some of my utility bills. So guys, if you like the video, then do send the tip and upload the video. Take care. Goodbye.